Hello everyone, my name is Aringa Priska, head teacher at Bishop Flynn Secondary School. I am very happy today to have this moment to share with you briefly about the school. Archbishop Flynn Secondary School is both O and A level school founded by the district. It's 2 kilometers away from the district headquarters. It's found in Ulumu village at Choro parish. The school was established in 2009 with 36 students and 12 staff members. We are very glad that as per now we have grown and we have over 600 students and about 80 staff members. It is given the name Archbishop Flynn because it was named after the Archbishop of St. Paul, a parish found in Minneapolis in the United States of America. This was an initiative that came up out of the true friendship between Monsignor Matthew Odom, the Vicar General of Gulu Archdiocese, who is also the founder and the director of this school. As I already made mention, we have both O and A level. As an institution, our vision is to be the leading school in the country, and evidently, that's why you see that we are excelling in academics, we excel in co-curricular activities, we excel in so many areas for which we are grateful and very glad. We are also happy that out of the many successes that we have attained, we also have our school farm. Our school farm is in Latanya, and we have 261 acres of land. It was established in 2016, an initiative by both the school and the parents of the institution. For now, we have very many enterprises like crop husbandry, we have apiary, we have fish farming, to mention but a few. We also have already got the benefits of the farm. We are food secured because we get food stuff from the farm like maize, beans, we get cooking oil from the sunflower that we plant, fruits and fresh fish. So we are very happy that our diet is balanced. Besides that, the farm also offers academic benefit to the students and the staff. Normally we take our students to learn, soft skills, especially given the fact that agriculture is our backbone as a nation, and also agriculture being a subject. The farm is a one-stop center for research and academic purposes, and we are achieving a lot from that. We are very grateful to all our farm staff members. Above all, we are grateful to our donors who have been our backbone from the onset of the farm. They support us holistically to ensure that we realize the vision for which the farm was established. Thank you very much for listening. I wish you all the best.